In this video, you'll learn how to import your image and quickly resize it so it looks exactly the way you want in your composition. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're still getting comfortable with the software. Let's start with the idea behind what we're doing. When you bring an image into a project, it doesn't always come in at the right size. It might be too big, too small, or just not framed how you like. The goal here is to control that size precisely while keeping the image looking clean and not stretched or distorted. First, make sure your image is already imported into your project and placed in your composition. Once it's there, you'll see it listed as a layer in the timeline at the bottom of the screen. That's where we'll do most of the work. Click once on the image layer in the timeline to select it. This step is important because any changes you make will apply only to the layer that's selected. If you don't see anything changing, it usually means the wrong layer is selected, so it's always worth double checking that highlight in the timeline. With the image layer selected, press the S key on your keyboard. This is a shortcut that opens the scale property for that specific layer. You should now see the scale setting appear, showing you a percentage value. 100% represents the image at its original imported size. Anything above that makes it larger. Anything below that makes it smaller. To resize the image, click and drag the scale value left or right. Dragging to the right increases the percentage and makes the image larger. Dragging to the left decreases the percentage and makes it smaller. As you adjust this, keep an eye on the composition panel to see how your changes affect the overall look of the shot. Take your time here and aim for a size that fits your layout or design. You can also resize the image visually right inside the composition panel. Select the image so that the bounding box with corner handles appears around it. Move your cursor over one of the corner handles, then click and drag to resize. To keep the proportions of your image consistent and avoid stretching it, hold the Shift key while dragging the corners. Holding Shift locks the aspect ratio so the width and height scale together, preserving the original shape of the image. Use whichever method feels more natural to you, adjusting the scale value for precise percentages or dragging the corners in the composition panel for a more visual approach. Once you're happy with the size, you're done. You've successfully imported your image, selected it in the timeline, and resized it while keeping its proportions intact.